Hi, I'm Ingrid Ignacio and I'm the writer and director of Rise of the Fallen for TNC Pro Team ML's roster reveal this season 13. I am a director from Wonderlast. As a director, paano naging iba itong dinirect ko na roster reveal? Iba siya kasi affected niya ako. Kasi pinagdaanan ko yun eh. Yung tatlong beses ng sunod-sunod na natalo, I was there when that happened. Iba yung hugot ko in writing this short roster reveal kasi it was from the heart talaga. Sinulat ko siya dahil ganun yung naramdaman ko.
Hello guys, I'm Mark Putian and ang role ko ngayon sa project na to is VFX Supervisor, and at the same time ako na rin yung ginawa nilang voice over artist dito sa project na to. Itong project na to actually very excited ako nung ginawa namin kasi sa una nakaka-intimidate yung project pagka iniisip mo na war scene, may mga soldiers, kailangan mo lang naman maging resourceful and maging smart sa pagpili ng mga scenes and sequences na gagawin mo dun sa project na yun. Medyo na-anticipate namin yung mga dapat na gawin at dapat iwasan during the shoot.
So for my thought process, it was actually random na nagsisearch ako kasi parang sinabihan ako ng mga boss ng TNC na Ingrid, sa'yo pa rin kami magpapagawa ng roster reveal kahit na nag-resign ka na sa amin. So sabi ko, wow, thank you po for the opportunity na ako pa rin po yung gagawa kahit na wala na ako sa TNC talaga. Nahirapan ako nung una kasi sabi ko, shucks, paano ko matatapatan or mas magagandahan yung Rise from the Dead na ginawa namin? Parang nung during that time kasi, feeling ko, ang ganda na nun. So sabi ko, oh my gosh, challenge naman to. Paano ko mas magagandahan and mas mapapakita na maayos yung bagong roster ng TNC. Kapag ako kasi naghahanap ako ng inspiration, hindi ko siya iniisip talaga ng, hala, ano na yung gagawin ko, ganyan-ganyan. I saw this quote from Winston Churchill. Nung World War, meron siyang quote na pinabasa niya sa lahat ng mga soldiers during that time. If I may, basahin ko na lang yung quote. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets. We shall fight in the hills. We shall never surrender. Nung nabasa ko siya, sabi ko, ay, light bulb moment. Ito yung gagawin ko for Season 13's roster review. Since TNC, diba, parang ang tawag kasi talaga sa fandom ni TNC is Phoenix Army. So sabi ko, oh my, perfect na gawin nga siya. For the treatment, I wanted it to become realistic talaga. Gusto ko yung mga players namin madumi, yung mga pawis, yun, gusto kong makita yun sa video. That's what happens when you're in war.
Sinuggest ko dun sa management ng TNC na baka pwedeng maglagay tayo ng eroplano. Kasi gusto natin, mahook agad yung tao, di ba? And ang goal ko rin naman sa team namin, sabi ko, pag gumagawa kami ng isang sequence or isang project tapos i-release siya sa online, we're making sure na mapapasabi ka ng ang ganda niya na, kaya namin gawin yan, pero mahihirapan kami. So dapat ganun lagi yung goal na merong complications dun sa gagawin namin sequences to make sure na somehow mag-stand out kami kahit papano. Kasi ayun yung goal namin, lagi kami nagsiset ng mataas na standard para kahit hindi man namin maabot yung standard na yun, at least alam namin na mataas pa rin quality yung magagawa namin.
For the location, sobrang thankful ako kay Sir Eric and kay Sir Joshua kasi pinagbigyan nila ako na ayokong mag-green screen. Pinagbigyan nila ako. Kasi mas madali siya sanang i-shoot if naka-green screen ka, ganyan, tapos iti-3D environment mo lang. Pero sabi ko sa mga bosses ng TNC, sirs, I really want the players to experience the heat and the exhaustion from the environment. Going to MPL is like preparing for, you're going to battle, diba? So, makikipag-battle ka talaga and parang figuratively, that's what it feels like. Mapapagod ka in-game, ma-exhaust ka mentally in-game, and maraming mga unexpected na challenges kang mafe-face during in-game. Nung nabasa ko pa lang, di ba, yung quote ni Winston Churchill, sabi ko, I want to make a war scene. Bombs fall down, ganyan. So sabi ko, kayang-kaya to ni Wonderlast.
So yung ilang mga favorite scenes ko dito sa roster na to is yung, syempre yung una, yung kay Bentings kasi super nakita ko yung dedication ni Ben as a player, as a character dun sa shot na yun, dun sa sequence na yun.
If I may quote, meron akong favorite na line na sinulat ko dun sa script. Sinabi ko dun na itong mga sugat na to ang nagsisilbing paalala kung ano ang aming nawala at kung ano pa ang dapat naming makuha. So, very, I was literally crying while I was writing the script. Kasi the scars that we feel, the scars that we have, battle scar natin yan eh. It reminds us of the pain. It reminds us of the lessons that those challenges taught us. So, ayun yung parang pinaka-favorite line ko lang. Share ko lang. So, the first challenge was, how do I make the players participate wholeheartedly in this roster reveal shoot? Kasi syempre marami sa kanila bago, marami sa kanila galing sa ibang team. And paano ko sila mapapa-acting ng nasa puso nila? I approached Coach Ben Things. Sabi ko, Ben, kailangan natin kausapin yung players before we even start filming the first shot na we have to let them know why we are doing this, why TNC is putting so much effort and money on this roster reveal. Ang ginawa namin, yun, in-explain namin sa kanila na number one, kasi si TNC, ginagawa niya yung part niya. TNC wants to present you in the most presentable way possible and in the most authentic way possible. Another challenge was bawal mag-bonfire dun sa beach sa Bataan. So meron silang parang local law regarding that. So we had to drive around and find a new location for the bonfire scene.
Of course, may mga naging challenges din, pero siguro ang pinakamalaking challenge na lang siguro sa amin. During that time, actually work from home yung mga editors namin, mga VFX artists namin. Mas madali kasi kapag andyan kaharap mo, tapos mabilisan yung bato ng ideas, ng collaboration. Ang mahalaga lang naman, binibigay mo ng clear and maayos yung mga instruction. Tapos trust ka na lang sa mga tao mo na magagawa nila na maayos yun.
Hate, gusto ng TNC i-announce yung pagbalik mo ng Pilipinas. Gusto i-announce ni TNC na nandito ka na ulit sa Pilipinas, sa pinakamalakas na region ng Mobile Legends. So sa akin, as a director, one of the biggest lessons I've learned is, eto nga, eto na, wait. No matter what challenge you are facing, always find the reason to fight. Always find the reason to not surrender. Kasi kahit gaano pa yan kahirap, that's life. Hindi talaga siya perfect. Walang perfect sa mundo. Walang easy path. Lahat ng dinadaanan natin. Yun nga, yung sinabi ko rin dun sa line, di ba? Pare-parehas lang tayong may pinaglalaban. Kahit ano pa ang sabihin ng iba, ipaglalaban pa rin kita. Yun, ganun tayo dito. To all the fans of TNC Pro Team ML out there, to all the MLBB community, I'm inviting you to watch TNC Pro Team's Season 13 roster reveal. I'm sure that you'll have a great time watching it because we at Wonderlast Films and the talents, the players, they've put so much effort into it. So, see you guys! Panoorin nyo! Paglalaban kita!